Hi guys, I'm Farah and I am back with a new video. In this video I will tell you guys about what programming is. So let's get into it. First we have Introduction to Programming. What is programming? Programming basically involves giving computers commands to perform tasks, similar to instructing a dog to follow orders. This foundational skill enables the creation of diverse applications in various fields. What is the importance of programming? Programming controls advanced technologies such as self-driving cars and robots, playing a crucial role in modern innovation and everyday life. Programming in games. Games like Minecraft rely heavily on programming, showcasing how technology and creativity intersect to create engaging and interactive experiences. Animation and films. Animated films, such as those by Pixar, use programming to bring stories to life, demonstrating the role of technology in artistic projects. Now I'm going to show you guys on how to learn programming for absolutely free. Now before that, there are some things you guys should know about this. First and foremost, you don't need any experience or knowledge to learn programming whatsoever. So you can be a complete novice and not know any sort of code or anything about computers. That doesn't matter. In this case, you guys can learn for free and easily. The second thing is, you don't need to pay a single cent for this and it will always be free. There are little services where you sit down on the computer and you're learning something and then you notice like a week later the trial ended and then you have to pay. That's not gonna happen. Again, this is completely free, so you don't have to worry about that. So with that being said, why should you learn to code or to program? It's simple. When you guys learn programming, you can become a web developer and later on a full-stack developer. So you could be sitting at home on a computer, drinking your coffee, learning the code, and then a couple months later, you go on the online web and you go to freelancing sites and like Upwork.com, and then you start making money and you help people out and you get paid for working at home. I know countless of people my age and younger than me that are 16 making hundreds and even thousands of dollars a month, so it's all worth it. How do you get started? I'm gonna show you guys that right now. It's a free website. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this, but real quick, just so you guys know as a disclaimer, I do not own this site and I am not affiliated with this site. I personally use this website to learn code myself, which is why I'm spreading the word and spreading the knowledge to you guys. So with that being said, let's begin. Okay, so we're here at freecodecamp.org. Now to start, it's simple. All you guys gotta do is click the yellow Start Coding button right here. And from there, you guys can go ahead and continue with Google or with Facebook or with email, doesn't matter. I am going to go with the Google. Here, as you can see, are a lot of options. You can choose whichever you want to learn. I am going to learn responsive web design. This is how you will learn whichever language you want to learn. You're going to go through the lessons, starting with HTML, then moving on to CSS, visual design, and eventually JavaScript. There are hundreds of hours of free learning available to you. As you work through the challenges, you might find some of them difficult and wonder how to proceed. That's when testing yourself and taking notes will be really valuable. In the end, all the effort you put in will be worth it. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you.